Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Off Campus. In this video, we are going to see in engineering mathematics. Under engineering mathematics, we are going to discuss and solve the in differential equation. Previously, we have posted differential equation and types, and we have discussed about variable separable differential form. Differential equation and homogeneous differential equation and solved many problems under those types. In this video we are going to see the what is linear differential equation, and we'll solve some example problems. So if you haven't seen those videos, kindly check with the playlist. Before going into the video, kindly subscribe our channel Off Campus and click on the bell icon. You will receive notifications as and when we upload videos. Now we go into the video. What is linear differential equation? A differential equation is said to be linear if the dependent variable and its differential coefficients occur only in the first degree. Are not multiplied together. It should be in the first degree should be 1 and it is not multiplied together. So we'll see some examples of differential equation. See, d squared y by dx square plus dy by dx the whole square plus y equal to 0. So what is the degree of this differential equation? Degree is nothing but 1. So higher order derivative is nothing but degree of the higher order derivative is known as order of the differential equation. So what is the degree power of the higher order derivative? What is the higher order derivative here? D squared y by dx square. What is the power? The whole power 1. So it is a first degree, right? Whether it is a linear differential equation? No, because it is multiplied by dy by dx, multiplied together. So dy by dx into dy by dx. So this term is coming. So this is not a linear differential equation. Then what is the this is the next example differential equation. See whether it is a linear differential equation or not. So what is given? D squared y by dx squared plus y dy by dx plus y equal to 0. So what is the degree? It is the higher derivative. The degree is nothing but 1. So it is a first degree. To check the multiplication, so it is multiplied by y. So it is not a linear differential equation. Then move on to the next example. See, d squared y by dx square plus dy by dx plus y squared equal to 0. See, this is the first degree and it is multiplied by y squared. So it is not a linear differential equation. Then move on to this one. D squared y by dx square plus dy by dx plus y equal to 0. So it is a first degree and it is not anywhere multiplied together. So it is a linear differential equation. So this is the example for linear differential equation. The dependent variable or its differential coefficient occur only in the first degree and not multiplied together. So it is said to be linear differential equation. Then what is the standard form of first order linear differential equation, or Leibniz? It is called as Leibniz linear equation. Is dy, this is very important, dy by dx plus py equal to q. What is p and q? P and q are functions of x and y. Function of x or constant, where p and q are functions of x and y or constant. This is the what is the p and q are function of x or constant. This is the general form or standard form of Leibniz linear equation. This is very important. Surely we will there is a many possibility of asking questions in TNEBE and TRB Polytechnic exam and GATE exam as well. So dy by dx plus py equal to q. So what is this? It is in the form, if it is in the form of, this is the standard form of a first order linear differential equation. So what is the solution of this linear equation? Y into if is nothing but integration factor. IF is nothing but integration factor. Y into integration factor equal to integral Q into integration factor D into dx plus C, where what is the integration factor? How to find out the integration factor is nothing but E exponential power exponential of integral P dx. These are very important. This is the standard form of Leibniz linear equation where P and Q are function of x or constant. What is the solution? Y into integration factor equal to integral Q into integration factor into dx plus C. What is the integration factor? E power integral P dx. So, we will solve the problems regarding this type based on this type and we will have some idea. Okay, this is the problem. What is given? X plus 1 dy by dx minus y e power 3x into 1 plus x the whole square. So, how the differential equation will be for this dy by dx plus what is the standard form? See, dy by dx plus py equal to q. This is the standard form for Leibniz linear equation, differential equation. So, it is multiplied by 1 by x. So, divide by 1 plus x or x plus 1 in this equation. What we will get? Dy by dx minus y by 1 plus x equal to e power 3x into divided by 1 plus x. What we will get? 1 plus x only. So, this is the general form, this is the equation by differentiating this term divided by 1 plus x. So, what is P here? By comparing this with standard linear differential equation type, what is P here? P is nothing but coefficient of y minus 1 by x. What is Q? Q is equal to e power 3x into 1 plus x. So, we have found the P and Q. This is P equal to minus 1 by x, Q equal to e power 3x into 1 plus x. So, substitute in this form. What is the integration factor? How to find out the integration factor? E power integral P dx. So, what is E here? Sorry, P here. Minus 1 by 1 plus x into dx, right? By differentiating, integrating, what we will get? Dx by x is nothing but log of 1 plus, dx by x is nothing but log x. When we equating as when log of 1 plus x, the denominator, the differentiation of denominator part should be in the numerator part. If it is the differentiation of the denominator part will be in the numerator part, we can write it as log of 1 plus x. See, what is the differentiation of this denominator term? This constant will get 0. When we differentiating with respect to x, we will get 1 only. So, 1 is in the numerator part. So, can we write like this, right? Log of, in e power p. Don't forget this minus sign also, log of 1 plus x. This is the basic integration technique to solve this kind of integration method, minus log of 1 plus x. So, by integrating e power minus log of 1 plus x, right. So, this is minus sign is multiplied by a log m is nothing but log m power n. See, log m power n is nothing but this is the basic logarithmic n log n. So, it is multiplied by minus 1. So, integration factor if equal to e power minus 1 is multiplied here. So, it will go to the power of 1. So, log m power n. So, exponential and logarithmic term get cancelled. So, what is the integration factor? 1 x plus power minus 1 is nothing but 1 by 1 plus x. This is the integration factor. Next, what is the solution? Solution, how to find out? Y into integration factor is equal to integration q into integration factor into dx plus c. This is the solution for this Leibniz linear differential equation. So, y into what is the integral function? 1 plus x, 1 by 1 plus x. Integration, what is q here? E power x, e power 3x into 1 plus x divided by what is integration function? In denominator 1 plus x into dx plus c. So, this and this get cancelled. Integral e power 3x is nothing but y by 1 plus x equal to e power 3x by 3 plus c. So, this is the solution for this problem. Okay, then we will solve a few problems under this type. So, what is given? Y into log y dx plus x minus log y dy. So, divided by dy. What we will get? Y into log y dx by dy plus x minus log y dividing by dy equal to 0. So, okay, then divide by this term y log y. What we will get? Dx by dy plus x minus log y divided by y log y equal to 0. Then by simplifying, what we will get? Dx by dy plus x by splitting the numerator term x y by log y minus log y divided by y log y, right? So, this and this get cancelled equal to 0. So, what we will get? This is dy, dx by dy equal to plus x y log y. This and the minus 1 by will go that side as plus 1 by y. So, dx by dy plus x by y log y equal to 1 by y. This is in the form of dx by dy plus px equal to q. This is in the form of dx by dy plus px equal to q, where in previous problem the same thing, but the x and y will get or changing. Dy by dx plus py equal to q. But it is in the form of dx by dy plus px equal to q. What is p here? Coefficient of x, 1 by y into log y. What is q? Q is 1 by y. So, what is the integration factor? How to find out the integration factor? Integral e power p dx. So, integral e power p is nothing but 1 by y log y into dy, right? E power integral p dx by this in the form of y only. So, e power integral p dy into dy. So, e power integration of dy by y log y. So, we need to integrate with respect to y for this term. What we will get? Can we write like this? See, it is e power integration 1 by y in the numerator. So, log y in the denominator. Okay, I am taking 1 by y in the numerator and log y in the denominator. See, by differentiating dy by something, we can write it as log of that value. If we need to write as log of that value, what we need to? We need to check for if it is the differentiation of denominator part will be in the numerator part, we can write it as log of that denominator part. So, see, dy by some term can be written as log of that term. So, but before we can integrate that part, we need to check whether the differentiation of the denominator part will be in the numerator part or not. So, what is the differentiation of denominator? Log y is nothing but 1 by y. So, it is in the numerator. So, what is the integration of this term? Is nothing but e power log of that denominator term, log of log y. So, log of this and this get cancelled. What is the integration factor here? Integration factor is nothing but log y. So, this is the integration factor value. So, what is the solution? Here solution will be in the form of x. So, x into integration factor. So, integral q into integration factor into dy plus c. So this is the solution of this problem. This is the solution. So x into, what is the integration factor? X into log y into, what is q here? Q is 1 by y. 1 by y into log y dy. So plus c. 1 by y log y plus c. So what we need to do? We need to do one substitution. By integrating this, we need to do one substitution. Say u equal to log y. What is du? Du is differentiating with respect to y is nothing but, log y is nothing but 1 by y dy. So du is equal to 1 by y dy. So substitute in this formula. So what we will get? So x log y equal to 1 by y, sorry, what is here? In place of 1 by y dy is nothing but du, u log y is nothing but u, then 1 by y dy equal to du. So u du plus c. So by integrating u du is nothing but u squared by 2, u squared by 2 plus c. Okay. Now substitute what is in the, what is u here? Log y. So log y the whole square divided by 2 plus c equal to x log y, or x equal to, this log y go to that side as 1 by 2 log y plus c by log y, or c log y power minus 1. It can be anything. So this is the solution for this problem. So this is the solution for this problem. Y log y dx equal plus x minus log y dy. So we will solve one more problem. Cos squared x dy by dx plus y tan x. So divided by cos squared x, what we will get? Dy by dx plus y by cos squared x. Y by cos squared x is nothing but secant squared x. Y secant squared x equal to tan x by cos squared x is nothing but secant squared x. So it is in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q. So what is p here? P is equal to py. P is equal to secant squared x. Similarly q equal to tan x secant squared x. First we need to find out the integration factor. So how to find out the integration factor? Integration factor if equal to e integral p dx. So e power integration p is nothing but secant squared x dx. Secant squared x dx is nothing but e power tan x. So what is the, sorry, e power tan x. Integration factor is equal to e power tan x. Then what is the solution? Solution is y into integration factor equal to integral q into integration factor into dx plus c. So what is y? Integration factor is y into e power tan x equal to integration q into, what is q? Tan x secant squared x. Tan x secant squared x into q into integration factor e power tan x, right, e power tan x plus c. So this is the y into e power tan x is nothing but tan x secant squared x into e power tan x plus c. See here, put one substitution, u substitution, tan x equal to u, then secant squared x dx equal to du. Substitute in this substitution in this form, in this equation. What is tan x? Tan x is nothing but u, then here dx, I missed out, secant squared x dx. Secant squared x dx is nothing but, this is also e power tan x. E power tan x also u. In place of secant squared x, dx is remaining. We have substituted tan x as u and e power tan x as e power u. what is remaining? Secant squared x into dx. Secant squared x into dx is nothing but du plus c. It is in the form of x e power x. X e power x, while integrating x e power x, what we will get? X e power x minus e power x. Similarly, u e power u minus u power e power u plus c. So, now substitute, I am writing here y equal to e power tan x, y into e power tan x equal to, by substituting u by tan x into e power tan x minus tan x plus u. So, this is the solution for this formula, for this problem, or we can take tan x outside as tan x. When we taking tan x outside, what will get? Tan x into e power tan x minus 1 plus c. So, this is the solution for this problem. So, we have seen the examples for standard Leibniz linear differential equation. So, I end up this video up to this. Please subscribe our channel Off Campus and click on the bell icon. You will receive notifications as in when we upload videos. Thanks for watching.